All right, ladies and gentlemen, today with BK. This is an update on this SS grill. So the Gorilla grill, or the Gorilla tape does not do what it's supposed to. Because watch. So if I just vibrate a little bit, I mean, it's gonna make a liar out of me. See that? It actually did that from me just driving this thing back from getting ceramic coated. That'll be in a different video. But this is, so what I'm gonna probably have to do is take these Christmas trees. I think I'm gonna go in from this way or something. I don't want it to be seen because these will turn dull after a while, and you know they're already a dull black. But I'm gonna go in here at an old angle and see if I can do it. I really think it's the form of this, because if you watch, it's staying on over here. It's not coming off there. It's only coming off of here. So I may double up the Gorilla tape here and try to see if it'll do that, because I can put my hands back here and you can feel a little bit of gap on this side. It's not the best form and fit. I know some people, we talked online about this up here. That's just part of it, getting an aftermarket part. But I will keep you guys updated, and we'll see what we can do here. All right, so here we go. See if we can't get it started. I tell you what, let me get a smaller bit to start. All right, so we're going to start with just a smaller bit here. This is not fun when you pay this much for something, but we're going to try it. All right, gonna move to a bigger bit now. Right, so you're moving up a little bit. All right. Always sucks when you gotta put holes in there. All right, so got me a little stopper so I know where to stop here. First time I've done this, so hopefully this is going to do it. It's a big one because it's made for that size. So I'm afraid to start pushing that in there and it won't go all the way. But let's try it. There we go. There we go. That's not going anywhere. Now it's really not going anywhere. So there's the first one. I think what I'm gonna only do is just one here and one over here, because I'm not a big fan of the way it looks. So drop a comment, let me know what you think. Let's get this left side. What I'm doing is getting some of that styrofoam out of there, that gray styrofoam impact material. So that's what's coming off a little bit. And so I'm going to switch to the next size so we can get that in there. Switch to the next one. Let's get that in there. This was always kind of a pretty clean. You know, not too bad. Got another push pin here. See if this thing will push in as easy as that one. Pretty good, pretty good. It's not coming anywhere now. That one I need to knock in just a little bit more. So I'll see if I can't get a little something, maybe a extension, and let me find something. We'll get back to it. All right. So what I'm gonna do is just put a rag over this end. Let's see if we can't get that thing to go in a little more. There we go. We're in there now. So, drop a comment what you think. Maybe you had a better idea. Yeah, but take a look at the side of this thing. See what they look. Check out the side over here. All this ceramic coating. Did a fantastic job. I'm gonna do another video out in the sun here with that. But fantastic job. So, you know, it's on there now. I mean, it's on there with just those two. I'm pleased with that. I'm not a fan of this gap, but what do you do with the aftermarket stuff? So I'm gonna clean this up, and got a car show tomorrow. So, all right. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hope it's helped someone. If it did, please comment, like, subscribe, share it. Really appreciate it. We're growing the channel. As of right now, 112 subscribers. That's very minute to other people, but it's a big deal to me. So I appreciate y'all if you just continue to do that. So here's the final look. As you can see the Christmas tree top there, and over here. So it looks very noticeable with the bright light. So I'm hoping when the sun's looking at it, I'll give you an update when I get this thing out in the sun, but I gotta wipe it down right now. But once again, thank y'all for watching, and today with BK out.